Video title: 5 Linux Facts You Probably Didn't Know. USA, Visuals. 1. Fast-paced, dynamic editing with quick cuts between relevant visuals, for example, Penguin logo, command line interface, open source graphics, diverse user-based script, upbeat, energetic music playing voiceover. Yo, USA, did you know Linux isn't just for geeks? Nerd face, it's powering everything from your phone to the rockets that take us to space. Rocket, visual, quick cuts of smartphones, servers, and a rocket launch voiceover. Here are 5 Linux facts that'll blow your mind. Mind blown. Fact 1. 1. Voiceover: Linux is open source, open lock, that means it's free to use, modify, and share. Mind blown. Talk about freedom, raised fist. 2. Visual: image of the Linux Penguin logo with the word open source superimposed. Fact 2. 1. Voiceover: Ubuntu, one of the most popular Linux distros, is named after an ancient African philosophy of human kindness, heart. 2. Visual: Ubuntu logo with a brief image of Nelson Mandela. Fact 3. 1. Voiceover: Linux is incredibly secure, lock, fewer viruses and malware attacks mean more peace of mind, relieved face. 2. Visual: image of a shield with a lock icon. Fact 4. 1. Voiceover: from Hollywood blockbusters to indie games, Linux powers some of the coolest special effects and gaming experiences. Video game. 2. Visual: fast-paced montage of movie and game trailers. Fact 5. 1. Voiceover: want to learn to code? Personal computer: Linux is the perfect playground for aspiring developers. Personal computer. 2. Visual: image of a person coding on a command line interface. Music intensifies voiceover, so there you have it. 5 amazing facts about Linux. Mind blown. Hashtag Linux, hashtag software, hashtag Ubuntu, hashtag shorts, hashtag USA, hashtag computer, hashtag fact, hashtag facts, hashtag knowledge, hashtag amazing facts. End screen with social media handles and a call to action. Learn more about Linux today. Key to virality. 1. Fast-paced editing keeps viewers engaged and prevents boredom. 2. Relatable language uses simple, everyday terms that resonate with a wider audience. 3. Compelling visuals, eye-catching graphics and dynamic footage enhance the message. 4. Strong call to action, encourages viewers to learn more and explore Linux. 5. Trending hashtags, increases discoverability and reach on social media platforms. Note, this is just a basic framework. Feel free to adapt it to your specific style and target audience. Good luck with your viral video. Movie camera. Disclaimer: this script is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before making any decisions.